Hello people teacher, today we are going to discuss the topic perimeter of rectangle. So let us start. First write down date, class, subject, topic, period and duration. Then write down the general object. So the general objectives here are to develop interest in pupil of math subject. Second is to make people aware of mathematical facts for use in daily life. Third is to develop analytical attitude in people, and the fourth one is to develop logical reasoning and analytical thinking in students, and the fifth one is to prepare children for elementary as education. Then you have to write a specific objective. In this you have to make the table. First you have to write knowledge level, then its objective, then understanding level, its objective. Then you have to write the application level, its objective, analysis level, synthesis level, evaluation level. Then you have to write the material aid, that is model, chart paper, chalk, tester and blackboard. And previous knowledge is students have previous knowledge about perimeter of. Then the introduction page, this is the table. Then you have to write pupil teacher activity, then student response. Then this is the question pattern, that is first question is how many sides does two rectangle have. Rectangle has 4 sides. Then second question, are all the 4 sides equal in length? No, only opposite sides are equal in length. Then the third question is what are these opposite sides called? The opposite sides are called length and breadth of rectangle. Then fourth question is what is total sum of length and breadth in rectangle called? The total sum of length and breadth in rectangle is called perimeter. Then fifth question, how do we calculate perimeter of rectangle? This problematic question. Then you have to write the statement of aim. That is, student, today we will learn and study about how to calculate perimeter of rectangle. Then you have to make the presentation page. This is the presentation page. See, now you have to write the teaching point. The first teaching point is question based on perimeter of rectangle. Then the question you will ask is find perimeter of rectangle if its length is 4 cm and breadth is 22 cm. Then on base of this you will ask developmentary question. So these are the developmentary question. Then this is the student response. Then you will explain in the topic and student will listen. Then you will write the question answer method, that is the teaching method used. Then you will explain them, explanation method. Then inductive to deductive method, this is the material aid, and at last this is the blackboard work. The second teaching point is question based on perimeter of rectangle. So the question is find perimeter of rectangle if its length is 6 cm and breadth is 4 cm. Then the developmentary question, what is the length of rectangle, what is the breadth of rectangle, how do we calculate perimeter of rectangle, and then no response. After that you will explain. Then this is the teaching points, question answer method, then explanation method, the material aid and the blackboard work. Then the third teaching point is question based on perimeter of rectangle. The question is find perimeter of rectangle if its length is 8 cm and breadth is 6 cm. Then the developmentary question, that is what is length of rectangle, what is breadth of rectangle, how do we calculate perimeter of rectangle. Then the teaching method used here is question answer method. Then you will explain them. The teaching method used inductive to deductive and explanation method. Then you will write the material aid, then the blackboard work. Now the rule used here is perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then the comprehensive question, that is what is the value of each angle in rectangle, what is the sum of all the angles in rectangle. Third question, find perimeter if length and breadth is 10 cm. Fourth question, find the length of rectangle if perimeter is 24 cm and breadth is 5 cm. Then fifth question, find breadth if perimeter is 50 cm and length is 15 cm. Then you will have to write the blackboard summary. This is the blackboard summary of here you have to write the answer of these questions. Then you will give them instruction that pupil teacher will instruct the student to copy down blackboard work in their notebook and will supervise them. Then you will write the recapitulatory question. The first question is the perimeter of rectangle is L plus B dash. Then second is rectangle has 4 sides. Then the third is all 4 sides of rectangle are equal. Then the fourth question is opposite sides of rectangle are parallel. Fifth question is each angle of rectangle is 45 cm. At the last you have to give them homework, that is find length of rectangle if its breadth is 10 cm and perimeter is 60 cm.